sawmill lights that shone so bright you could barely see the stars. But we caught a couple falling out on a blanket in the yard. You winding down from a late shift down at the nursing home. Feels so good to be up late pretending that I'm grown. Come back from the dark sun